Friday, candy lovers, and today is June 12th. It's Happy Independence Day here in the Philippines. So, mabuhay tayo mga Pilipino! Woohoo!
So today I'm going to clean my studio, fix some things, kasi tomorrow I have a makeup gig. Tapos, I need to clean my brushes. If you want to go here and visit me here in my studio, please do text me. Kasi, yun nga, not every day I'm open. Since, yun nga, may mga meetings, client meeting, family events din, and agenda na kailangan puntahan. So yun. At saka minsan nakaka-board din, no, na nandito ako Monday to Saturday, diba, 11 AM to 6 PM. So I really need to unwind din. Ayun, right now, ayun, maglilinis muna ako, sweep the floor, mop the floor. FYI, sanay kami na walang katulong or walang kasambahay since elementary days. So, sanay ako na naglalabang mag-isa, nagmamalansya since I was a kid. So yun, linis-linis, kwarto, ganyan-ganyan. So sanay ako sa mga household chores. Although hindi nga lang ako, siguro sa mga household chores, hindi ako marunong magluto. Pero alam ko madali lang magluto. Kailangan ko lang ayoko lang kasi ng mga yung gas tank. Sobrang takot ako doon. Tsaka sa knife. Pero right now, I'm getting used to it. Kasi kailangan, diba? So yun. Sige, I'll get back to you later. And mamaya papakita ko malinis na sa studio.
Done washing my brushes. Ayan na siya. So, all clean. Oops. Yan, clean na siya. Yan, yan yung gagamitin ko for tomorrow. Diyan ko lalagay sa aking Gemma Kid Pro na brush set. And then, nagpa-deliver ako ng Jollibee. Here. I ordered the Jollibee spaghetti pan meal. And then, 4 na yum burger. And then, 4 na drinks. And then, meron din tayong large fries. Ang cute ng Jollibee kasi nung feel-fold ko na nga to, biglang may note dito na red. Ewan ko dito. Basta may red note. Sabi niya, when Jesus spoke again to the people, He said, I am the light of the world. Whoever follows me will never walk in darkness, but will have the light of life. John chapter 8, verse 12. Jollibee Distilios 733-1124 or 736-2282. Are you happy with your service? Please call 898-777. Nakakatuwa lang kasi parang, diba, parang this is the first time na naka-encounter ako ng Jollibee delivery na may ganitong quote sa Bible. So, it really makes a huge difference na makakabasa ka ng verse sa Bible. Feel good. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord God.
So this is what the spaghetti looks like. Very, freshly cooked spaghetti. Yum, yum, yum! Nothing beats the spaghetti of Jollibee. Diba? When it comes to spaghetti, Jollibee, sarap. Hindi ko masyado type yung spaghetti ng McDo at ng KFC. Especially KFC, parang buwan. Ayun. But when it comes to chicken, I'll go for KFC. But when it comes to burger, I'll go for McDo. Or Burger King. Yun. Sa mga fast food, pizza, of course, English. Or Yellow Dog, ganyan. Yung mga range na ganun. So, outfit for today, wala lang. Basic, tank top na neon. Tapos jeans. And then, my flip-flops na shoes.
May isa pang Bible verse dito. It says, He gives strength to the weary and increases the power of the weak. Isaiah chapter 20, verse 49. Ang ganda-ganda. Nakaka-boost ng energy and ng vibes. Good vibes. Hello! So, ayan ang aking mga clients for today. Mga student. Hi! Nahiya sila! Oh, what's your name? Shout out. Oh, Ami! Ami! Ella. Hindi ko nag-isip. Ayan. They visited me, tapos namimili sila. Ayan. Mga yan, dentistry yan. Soon to be dentist. Yan. Sa UE. Yan. Tapos, yun nga, yung makeup ko for today medyo strong lang. Konti. I'm wearing those of colors pairing.
Currently cooking some crab soup, but nilagyan ko siya ng completo ricados ala Joyce Sola. So, meron tayong squid, dyan. Tapos, meron din tayong crab stick, mushroom, tomato, para lang, wala, gusto ko ng tomato. Tapos, a little bit of the garlic bits. Ito, garlic. Yan. And then, we have carrots, beans, green beans, tsaka mushroom. Yung ginamit kong soup, yung more crab and corn ata yun. Although wala, dapat kasi lalagyan ko pa siya ng egg. Kaso wala na akong egg eh. Kaya, yan. Sarap to, for sure.
Shoutout kay Jo Chelly Alcantara. It's her birthday on June 18, I believe. Tama? Yes, tama. So, belated happy birthday sa'yo. Ayun.